Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system, class 6. This is your science lecture. Topic is sound, unit number 10. This is the title page of your amazing science book for class 9. Topic is sound. If you hit the drum harder, you hear a louder sound. Our first topic is about what is sound. Sound is a kind of energy like light. Sound is also a kind of energy. You hear sound wherever you go. हम जहाँ भी जाएं हमें sound सुनाई देती हैं. Different sounds. Some sounds are like music, are pleasant, but others are irritating sounds or can be dangerous, like the sound of some machinery, traffic. When an object vibrates, जब भी कोई भी object vibrate करता है, it makes the air around it vibrate. जो उसके इर्द जितनी भी हवा मौजूद होती है उस ऑब्जेक्ट के वाइब्रेट करने से वो भी वाइब्रेट होने लग जाती है. द वाइब्रेशंस ट्रेवल इन द एयर एंड दीज वाइब्रेशंस विल ट्रेवल इन द एयर फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू अनदर. वी कॉल इट साउंड वेव्स. हम इनको साउंड वेव्स कहते हैं. द साउंड वेव्स मूव साउंड एनर्जी फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. ऑल मूविंग थिंग्स मेक साउंड. जो भी चीज मूव कर रही होती है that object makes some sound. A jet engine makes a very loud sound. What are oscillations, students? The pendulum of a clock keeps time because it moves backward and forward regularly. This type of movement is called an oscillation. So here, students, we have the picture of a pendulum. When it moves backward and forward, backward and forward, this movement is called the oscillation, and the time which is taken by this pendulum to complete one oscillation is called the time period. The number of oscillations that are completed in 1 second or 1 second time period में जितनी भी ये vibrations, जितनी oscillations complete करता है, we call it the frequency of the oscillation. A simple pendulum can be made by hanging a bob, which is called a weight, on a length of a string. When the bob is pulled and released, it begins to oscillate. The distance that the bob travels from the central position to the extreme position is called the amplitude. So students, this distance from the mean position to its extreme position is called the amplitude. Waves are of two types, transverse waves and longitudinal waves. Oscillations can be used to make the waves. For example, if one end of a rod is tied to a fixed object and the other end is moved from side to side, waves can be seen moving along the rod. If you fix a spring at one end and keep moving the other end backward and forwards, you will see waves traveling along the spring. Each wave is compressed section followed by the stretched out section. Waves produced by the backward and forward movements are called longitudinal waves. So students, these pictures shows that what is sound. Here we have the trough and crest movement of a wave, and this distance is called the wavelength, and this is called the amplitude. Next we have the sound waves. What are the sound waves, students? Sound waves are caused by vibrations. Vibrations की वजह से sound waves produce होती हैं. When you plug the strings of a guitar, guitar is a musical instrument, students, उसमें strings मौजूद होती हैं. जब उनको plug करते हैं, touch करते हैं, they make us musical sound. The strings of the guitar oscillate backward and forward and they vibrate. The vibrations cause sound waves to travel through the air to your ears. Your ears detect the sounds and you are able to hear them. There is no sound in the vacuum as shown in this figure. We have the siren vibrations in the air, in the water. You can hear it, feel it. Sound waves are longitudinal waves. How is sound produced? Now the question arises, how the sound is produced? When a body vibrates, it moves to and fro. Its forward movement passes the air in front of it. This is called the compression. So students, this picture shows the compression. Look here. When the body moves backward, the pressed layer of air stretches out. So here waves are stretches out. And it is called the rarefactions. Continuous compression and rarefactions produced by oscillations make sound waves. And these sound waves are called the longitudinal waves. The oscillations which cause them are in the same direction as the motion of the wave. When the diaphragm of a loudspeaker cone vibrates, it moves in and out very fast. The compressions and rarefactions travel through the air or waves. ये compressions और rarefactions कैसे travel करती हैं? It travels through the air and in the waves. Speed of sound in solid, liquid and gases. Sound travel at a speed of 330 meters per second. This speed is much slower than the speed of light. ये speed of light से बहुत कम है. So that is why we can see the flash of lightning before the clap of thunder during a thunderstorm. जब बहुत तूफान आया हुआ होता है, इसी वजह से हम पहले lightning को देखते हैं और फिर हमें thunder की आवाज़ सुनाई देती है. The speed of sound depends on the temperature of the air. Sound waves travel faster through hot air. गर्म हवा में sound waves ज़्यादा तेजी से travel करती हैं rather than cold air. The speed of sound is not affected by air pressure. Air pressure की वजह से speed of sound effect नहीं होती. The speed of sound does not change even when the air pressure rises. Sound waves can travel through solid, liquid and gases but cannot travel through a vacuum. Sound waves solid, liquid और gases में travel करती है, लेकिन vacuum में जहाँ पे कोई हवा मौजूद नहीं वहाँ पे travel नहीं करती. Sound waves in a vacuum method. How we can find out that sound waves not travel in vacuum? So here we have this simple experiment. Lower a clock in a bell jar. So here students, we have this clock in a bell jar fitted to an exhaust pump. So here we have this exhaust pump. To push and pull the air inside it, close the mouth of the jar with a tight fitting. So here we have a tight fitting on the top. When the air has been pumped out of the flask, the sound stops. अगर हम इसमें से तमाम हवा को निकालेंगे तो साउंड स्टॉप हो जाएगी, हमें साउंड सुनाई नहीं देगी. इट मीन्स दैट साउंड वेव्स कैन नॉट बी मेड इफ देयर इज नथिंग टू बी कंप्रेस्ड और स्ट्रेच्ड. व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ साउंड स्टूडेंट्स? म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स मेक साउंड्स व्हिच आर प्लीजिंग. हमें म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स ऐसे साउंड्स सुनाई देती हैं म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट से जो हमारे लिए खुशगवार होती हैं. इफ यू स्ट्राइक अ ड्रम जेंटली इट मेक्स अ सॉफ्ट साउंड. If you hit the drum harder, you hear a louder sound. The loudness of sound depends on the amplitude of the vibrating body. So it means that कि जो भी आवाज़ की loudness है वो किस पे डिपेंड करती है? उसकी amplitude पे vibrating body के, कि उसका mean position से कितना distance है extreme position की तरफ. If the amplitude is larger, the result will be loud sound. The loudness of the sound also depend on the surface of the vibrating body. As sound waves spread in all directions, they become weaker. Hence, if we stand near a vibrating body, we will hear a louder sound than if we are standing away from it. For example, if at a concert You stand near the speakers. The sound of music coming from the speakers vibrating body would be deafening. However, if you move away from the speaker, the sound would start mellowing down in your ears. So another quality of sound is pitch, students. Shrill sounds have a high pitch while flat sounds have low pitch. When we hear an orchestra playing, we can make out the sounds of the various instruments being played. We can also recognize the voice of a person we know. The specific quality of particular sound is called the timbre. So here we have this full flow chart which shows the characteristics of sound: loudness, pitch and quality or timbre. All these are the different characteristics of sound. Loudness, it distinguishes between loud and feeble sound. It mainly depends upon the amplitude of the sound. So here we have this picture which shows high amplitude, loud sound, low amplitude, feeble sound. Pitch, it distinguishes between shrill and flatter sound. It mainly depends on frequency of sound, high frequency shrill sound and low frequency flatter sound. Quality and timbre, it distinguishes one sound from other having the same loudness and pitch. Sound waves of guitar and sound waves of sitar. Vibrations in tube. Air vibrating inside a closed or open tube can produce a musical note. This fact is used in flutes, जिसको हम बांसुरी कहते हैं, and other wind instruments. In a simple flute, the air blown into the mouthpiece hits a sharp wedge which breaks up the air flow and makes some of the air inside the tube vibrate. Some of the waves produced will fit the length of the tube properly. These waves some come out of the tube in the form of notes or the music we hear. To change the notes, the player uncovers the holes in the flute in order to change the length of the tube. That's why we hear the pleasant sound of music from a flute. Echo. What is echo, students? And echo is the reflection of sound waves. Sound waves reflect होके जो हमें दोबारा सुनाई देते हैं, it is called the echo. When sound waves hit a hard surface, for example a wall, they are reflected back after a short while. This is called an echo. जब हम साउंड वेव्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं और वो साउंड वेव्स कहीं से टकरा के वापस हमारे पास आती है इन अ शॉर्ट वाइल, दिस इज कॉल्ड द इको. इफ यू स्टैंड इन एन एम्प्टी हॉल and shout, you will be able to hear your own voice repeated following a short interval. Echo sounders are used in ships to measure the depth of the sea underneath them. An echo sounder sends bursts of sound waves to the seabed, then it measures the time the echo takes to return. If the sea is deep, the echo takes a longer time to return. इको साउंडर्स को यूज़ किया जाता है चेक करने के लिए कि समंदर की कितनी गहराई है. हम इको साउंड्स को सेंड किया जाता है और फिर टाइम मेजर किया जाता है कि कितने टाइम पे वो इको हमें दोबारा सुनाई दे रही है. इस तरह से हम जो है समंदर की डेप्थ मालूम करते हैं. बैट्स कैन फाइंड, बैट इज एन एनिमल स्टूडेंट्स दैट कैन फाइंड देयर वे इन द डार्क बाय प्रोड्यूसिंग साउंड्स ऑफ हाई फ्रीक्वेंसीज which strike objects and are reflected back. This method of detecting obstructions is called echo detection. A radar works rather like an echo sounder, except the microwave are sent out rather than sound waves. Next we have the topic of sound pollution. Pleasant sounds are musical as the change in the frequency and amplitude of their waves is regular and gradual. Irregular and abrupt change in the frequency and amplitude of sound waves produce noise. जो irregular change है frequency में, amplitude में sound के, वो हम उसको noise कहते हैं, शोर कहते हैं. Noise is also a form of pollution. It can cause हेडेक, इसकी वजह से आपको सर का दर्द हो सकता है। ए वेरी लाउड साउंड लाइक एन एक्सप्लोजन कैन कॉज द एयर ड्रम टू स्प्लिट काउजिंग पेन एंड डेफनेस। पीपल हु वर्क इन नॉइजी फैक्ट्रीज, ऐसे लोग जो बहुत शोर वाली जगह पे काम करते हैं फॉर लॉन्ग पीरियड, ज़्यादा अरसे के लिए, में ऑल्सो सफ़र फ्रॉम लॉस ऑफ हेयरिंग, उनको अक्सर लॉस ऑफ हेयरिंग का सामना करना पड़ता है। इरिटेशन, nervousness, sleep disturbance, increased blood pressure, increased stress, all because of the effects of the noise pollution. Next students, we have the solved exercise. Question number 1. Answer is the regular to and from motion movement of a pendulum is called an oscillation. The number of oscillations that are completed in 1 second are called the frequency of an oscillation. The distance that the bob of a pendulum travels from the central to the extreme position in one oscillation is called its amplitude. Next, when a body vibrates, its forward movement presses the air in front of it. This is called compression. When the body moves backwards, the pressed layer of air stretches. This is called rarefaction. Continuous compressions and rarefactions produced by oscillations make sound waves. Next, sound travels at a speed of 330 meters per second. Sound waves travel faster through hot air than through cold air, but they are not affected by change in air pressure. Sound waves cannot travel in vacuum. Experiment: attach an electric bell to a battery with wires and lower it into a bell jar fitted with an exhaust pump. Close the mouth of the jar with a tightly fitted cord. Pump air out of the flaws. The sound of the ringing bell will slowly fade away. The loudness of sound depends on the amplitude at the surface area of the vibrating body. The specific quality of a particular sound is called its timbre. It is the combination of sound waves of different frequencies which collectively make up the voice of a person on the sound of a musical instrument. Next students, we have the fill in the blanks. Part A, answer is oscillation, vibrations, then compression. Part B, vacuum. Part E, longitudinal. Part F, air drums. Part G, faster. Part H, frequency. Part I, timbre. So do it on your books properly. Question number 3, A part 300 meter per second, 500 per second meters per second, then 200 meters per second, then 30,000 meter per second. Part B, aircraft and meteorite. Part C, 330 meters. Part 2, 660 meters. Part 3, 3,300 meters, and part 4, 33 meters. Next, we have the worksheet. Directions: label the above diagram and answer the questions below about the ear and how it works. Here we have the different parts of our ear: ear bone, cochlea, auditory nerve, eardrum, eustachian tube, and ear canal. Take the correct answer. What is sound energy? Yes, correct answer is energy that travels in waves through vibrating matter. Sound travels most slowly through which of the following? Yes, correct answer is an area of cool air. Reflecting sound is called, yes, correct answer is echo. Write the speed of sound in gas, liquid and solid. In gas it is 350, in liquid it is 1500, and in solid it is 6000. This is all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.